Hello friends, it's Running Kimono and we have some free money-making eyeshadow over at Walgreens. This is a curbside pickup. If you go and purchase this specific product in store, I believe it might be a couple dollars more. So again, it's your choice, but for this deal, it's specifically for curbside to get the biggest savings. So hopefully you can follow my lead here. So digitally, I have this one. If you look at the top left-hand corner, it does not say just for you. So I think most of you should have this, which is a 4 off of 2, and it's working for these eye products. And it is a manufacturer coupon as well. So make sure that you have this guy loaded. And then if you go over to your IBOTTA account, $3 back on eye cosmetics, and these quads are in fact attaching to this. I just checked here at home, and I've purchased these before over at Walgreens, and yes, it is in fact attaching. So it just says eye cosmetic, and this quad is in fact included. Okay, so if you use the code SUMMER10, you'll get an extra 10% off. And at the bottom of when you're checking out, this is where you will punch in the number. So as you can see, we have our REVLON, the $4 off coupon. And then I just typed in that little SUMMER10 for an extra 38 cents of savings. How terrific is that? Okay, so looking at the ledger here, the 2 eyeshadows on a BOGO 50% off, $7.78. We have 38 cents of savings with that 10% off. We're doing a curbside pickup, so it's free. The tax is right there. And then we have our manufacturer, which is the 4 off of 2. So with the tax, it's $3.84. Without the tax, it's $3.40. Every state, the tax is different. So let's just pretend we're going to pay this one out of pocket, $3.40. We're going to go to, even though it's a curbside pickup, you go into the store to the photo department or the photo counter, and they will scan your order through and then present you a physical paper coupon that you need to photograph to IBOTTA. So photograph that receipt. You're going to get $3 back twice. So that's $6. It makes this order free plus a $2.60 money maker. Remember, we're doing this guy curbside. If you want to use a little bit of Walgreens cash to pay down your balance, because $3.40, you could use $3 very easily. Yes, you can do that and still qualify for that IBOTTA rebate. And special shout out and thank you to Gimme Coupons over on Instagram. This is in fact her deal, and she was right on the money with this because it is an excellent one. All too often lately, for the last 2 weeks, it's like Walgreens IBOTTA. It's like IBOTTA, IBOTTA, IBOTTA. If you're a newer couponer, you've never heard of this app, sign up today. Check out the link in the notes, guys. When you submit your first qualifying receipt, it has to be for an item. You're going to be given a $20 bonus with my code. Perhaps it could be this Revlon deal. Walgreens and IBOTTA, they're kind of like married. So there's extra savings if you're using that app at Walgreens. It's a little bit of magic and razzle dazzle. Another inexpensive item that reset with the Shopkick app, different app from IBOTTA, is the Mio. It's these little drops that go into water to really jazz it up. Find it in the aisle with like the drinks, the water, pop, that sort of stuff. So this guy is $2.99. Shopkick is giving back 700 points, which is basically $2.80, dropping it down to 19 cents. So that's a really good price point. If you want this in your purse for the summer, or you just do not like drinking plain water, it really just jazzes it up and gives it a flavor. And a lot of this is sugar-free too. I was very surprised to see that. It reset in my Shopkick account, so I think I might be grabbing another one when I head out to the store a little bit later. So the last thing I want to talk about is Meijer, which is a grocery store predominantly in the Midwest. Google your location, and if you might have this store, they do not have a sister store. It is just in the Midwest. It is its own thing. So anyhow, guys, Clean Cult, a lot of this stuff is on clearance, and with this free MPerk that expires today, it makes it a completely free item. It's 1 per store card. And even though the verbiage is very goofy, it's like buy this online only or something like that, you can actually use it in store. I think these MPerks were just cut and pasted because the verbiage is similar in all of them. And I think this has to do with these Prime days and the online shopping where everything is just like killer deals. So I think they just cut and paste something quick because the verbiage doesn't make any sense. And when's the last time you put an order for Meijer.com and had something mailed to your home? I mean, you could do the curbside pickup over there or shop in store, but they don't really ever advertise like buying from their website. I mean, rarely. Probably a bunch of you will be like, I buy stuff all the time from their website. I never have or seen high promotions on that, but it's just a goofy verbiage. And I know a lot of you were probably kind of shy to go and do this, but it is in fact working in store. I was able to find dishwasher tabs that were like almost $15, and I got a box for free. 32 dishwasher tabs for free with Clean Cult. Absolutely worth heading out to Meijer today and looking for something. In the final freebie, and I did test this out yesterday, is with the Suave. So it's either the men or the women's. The stuff priced at $1.99. So grabbing 2 of them, that's $3.98. You get $2 of instant savings. You don't have to load a coupon for that. It's just instant savings. The 2 off of 2 M-Perk will come off. So it makes it completely free. You're just paying tax. IBOTTA has 75-cent rebates on each, so you'll get back $1.50, making it free plus $1.50 moneymaker. The limit for this is once per card, but how fantastic is that? And you can do this deal all week or until the 26th, but free body wash is the best kind of body wash. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.